I'm Peter, a video creator on Fiverr from Budapest, Hungary. I just received an order from a client who has a new song coming out and wants a music video for it. They want me to create cinematic shots of people growing up. The video should be uplifting and heartfelt. So first I come up with different styles by using an AI image generator and send them examples until we find one that they like. Then I go ahead and create all the necessary scenes. Once I have everything, I start editing and put it all together. And this is how it turned out.
The story of you is unique and